My name is Will Sunner, and I'm the co-owner of Compass Fitness, and we are absolutely thrilled to have an InBody machine. And if you're not familiar with that, it's the bioelectrical impedance scale that tells you pretty much everything you need to know about your body. So it breaks down skeletal muscle mass, fat mass, your visceral fat, water levels, and it breaks it down essentially in great detail. So it tells us per limb, left arm, left leg, right leg, how much muscle mass you have, also tells us about how much fat you have. We use this pretty much with every client because we believe you got to face the facts. There's no point in sticking your head in the sand and hope that your body's changing the way you want it to. The InBody is 99% accurate, and it gives us a good, unbiased accountability measure. So if we do a read with a client and it is excellent, high five, keep doing exactly what you're doing. If we do a read with a client and it's not the best, it's not shame on you, it's let's talk about what can we do to improve the read, and let's do it in a month and see what happens. But it's such a fantastic tool for us because it helps with our programming, because we know if muscle's going up, fat's going down, we're doing our job in regards to what we're putting in your program. If it's not changing the way we want, we often will look at nutrition. What are you doing with your nutrition? We look at independent exercise, and then we look at ourselves in the mirror and say, what can we do better when it comes to your program to elicit the response that you want? So one of the great things about the InBody is it can actually be used as a motivational tool. So we start everybody off with that initial scan, and a lot of times it's an eye-opener, right? Holy moly, this isn't where I want it to be. And then over the months, as you progress through your program, you start to see those improvements. You see your weight going down, you see your muscle going up, you see your fat going down, and then that is motivating. And then it creates this upward spiral, because when you look at that paper and you see the work I'm doing is resulting in positive change in my body, that motivates you to want to do more and keep eating better and move more outside of the gym and push it more in the gym. And then on the flip side, again, if you look at it and it's not the best, that's also motivating, because it's like, well, let's turn this up another gear and let's get after it to see this improve the next read. So the InBody, at the very bottom of the InBody report, it tracks out month by month how your weight's going, your muscle's going, and your fat mass is trending up or down. So our motto is our path, your journey, but if you look at the InBody, that journey right there is directly displayed in front of you. So your journey is actually being mapped out on that piece of paper, as well as what's going on in your program.